I have to say this is one of my favorite simple yet powerful effects I've ever put together, thanks to John Bannon and Anti-Field Magic. I've had great reactions. I've performed this a few times for some people, and I get great reactions with this every time. So what you need to do is a very simple setup. We'll use the King of Spades, the Queen of Hearts, the Jack of Spades, 10 of Hearts, 9 of Spades, 8 of Hearts, 7 of Spades, 6 of Hearts, 5 of Spades, 4 of Hearts, 3 of Spades, 2 of Hearts, and then the Ace of Spades. So it's just a setup so we can remember that the hearts are even and the spades are odds, and they just alternate red and black just to hide the setup in the deck a little better rather than using all the same suits, which looks quite obvious. Anyways, what we're going to do now is, we're going to leave the setup face up like that, and then you're going to add 20 random cards on top of the ace. So any 20 random cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and then the remaining cards just place underneath or on top of the face down deck, just like that. And that is your setup, and you're ready to go. Now, you can use whatever false shuffle you like, and once you've done that, you can show the spectator that the cards are just mixed, given a very fair mix. You can show the bottom portion, no problem. You're going to, of course, want to skip through the obvious sequence of cards very quickly, but they won't really notice because they're alternating red and black, and you can just kind of skim through those. And then you can slow down and show the remaining mix of cards, and I'm sure you'll agree that the spectator should see it's a very fair mix. Now, once we've done that, you have the spectator cut about a quarter of the cards, and you stress a quarter of the cards. Well, you don't have to make a big issue of it, but just say, could you cut about a quarter of the deck, just a small packet, and they won't cut into the setup, which is what you don't want to happen. And they won't. There's no way they're going to cut past 19 cards. So you have them cut about a quarter of the deck and have them mix the packet, and then to secretly peek at the top card and to remember their cards. So they're going to remember the 8 of Spades in this case. Then you have them cut about 3/4 or half of the remaining cards on the table to bury their selected card. And they can further cut the cards as many times as they like. And once they're satisfied, just complete the cut just like that. Once they're satisfied, you can pick up the cards and just remind them that there's no possible way you could know where their card is, and they'll readily agree. And you can then play like you're going to see if you can sense where their card is. Now what you're going to do is you're not going to show the cards because they'll see this sequence of cards, so you don't want to show them. But just keep the cards facing you, and just play like you're sensing whereabouts their card might be. But what you're really doing is you're looking for the Ace of Spades. And you're simply going to cut at the Ace of Spades and bring it to the bottom of the packet with all the cards above it, to the bottom of the packet. Okay. Now, in some rare cases, you might not have the Ace of Spades, and you might have the sequence left starting with the 3 of Spades, for instance. You then just want to cut to the 3 of Spades and bring the 3 of Spades and all the cards above it to the bottom of the packet. Okay. That's all you need to do. And then once you've done that, you just place the packet on top of the remaining cards on the table, and you can have the spectator then cut the cards furthermore, and then just say, okay, I'd like you to randomize it a little more, and we'll do it face up this time. So you have them cut the cards face up. And what you're doing while they're cutting the cards face up is you're looking for them to cut to either an odd spade or an even heart. Okay? So here we get to an even heart, and you can just tell them, okay, well that's good enough. Let's turn the deck face down. Now you're remembering the Queen of Hearts. Now you don't know what their card is at this point, but you do know that the key card, the Queen of Hearts, are an even heart. This is going to give away exactly where their card is in the deck. And to figure this out, it's very easy. You just simply add 20 to whatever the value of the key card, this even Queen of Hearts in this case. So 20 plus 12 would give you, of course, 32. So you'll know then, you can play it out however you want, that you sense that their card is in the 32nd position in the deck. So let's count the cards, and I'll just show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can even count the cards face up to show the randomness of the cards. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and I believe it was the 8 of Spades that we looked at, and there it is, the 32nd card. So that's how that trick works. Very simple to do, very powerful. I'm guaranteeing you'll get a great reaction from it. Yeah, I think that's it. I was just trying to think what else that I might have missed. Oh well, I'll leave a annotation or something if I think of it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Well, catch you again later.